Inventory destroyed. On 1 December 20X8, a business had inventory of $95,000. During the month, sales totaled $162,500 and purchases $120,000. On 30 September 20X8, a fire destroyed some of the inventory. The undamaged goods in inventory were valued at $55,000. The business operates with a standard gross profit margin of 20%. Based on this information, what is the cost of the inventory destroyed in the fire? Answer: sales 100%, $162,500. Cost of sales 80%, $130,000. Gross profit 20%, $32,500. Opening inventory $95,000. Purchases $120,000. Total $215,000. Closing inventory, balance figure, minus $85,000. Cost of sales, $130,000. Calculated inventory, $85,000. Actual inventory, $55,000. Lost in fire, $30,000.